How to allow block digital assistant app to analyze on-screen image on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So you will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, so click on choose default apps. So after click on choose defaults app, click on digital assistant app. So after click on digital assistant app, you will see analyze on screen images here. So if you want to allow block digital assistant app to analyze on screen image, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see digital assistant app to analyze on screen images block. So if you want to allow digital assistant app to analyze on screen image, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see digital assistant app to analyze on screen images allow. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can allow or block digital assistant app to analyze on screen images on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.